Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel for Manias. In today's video, we are going to unbox the latest Oppo Reno 10 Pro, and this is the glossy purple color of the Oppo Reno 10 Pro. And see, this is the box packaging. So first comes with an Oppo badge box. So let's see. So guys, we have the phone hole stickers, safety guide, quick guide, and the SIM ejector tool, and we are getting a type of a clear case, but actually side seems a bit smoky. So anyways, it's here. And then finally our handset itself. So here mentioned ultra clear portrait camera system, 32 MP telephoto portrait camera, 80 watt super VOOC flash charge, 120 hertz ultra high refresh rate. And let's keep the phone aside for a moment and let's check what else do we are getting. And here is the brick. Let me take it. So 80 watt adapter of super VOOC, and our data cables, USB type A to USB type C. Let me pull it out. So USB type A to USB type C data cables. So guys, Oppo Reno 10 Pro. So glossy purple color. Oh, look at that. Oh, feels really premium in the hands. Actually feels like an Oppo Find, some sort of premium segment device. Wow. Anyways, the design looks so promising, and this, you can see the side power button has some green type of label over here. It looks cool, and the volume rockers over here. On the top you can see how flat, and left is completely clean, and on the bottom you can see speaker grills over there, and then the Oppo badging along with the cameras. So it's written a portrait camera. That's it. So let's boot up the device for the first time. Oppo